Hello students, in this video we are going to see a case study related to the chapter coordinate geometry, and this is for class 9. As you know, you will be getting case study based questions in your exams. So this is one example how these case studies will look like. So if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So let's start. So the case study, as you can see, four persons, John, Saurabh, Salim and Ratan, are sitting in a courtyard at points A, B, C and D as shown in figure. So A, this is A, as you can see, this coordinate is for A, this is A, fine, and this is B, as you can see, this one is B, this is B, I'm marking it so that you can easily see it. Then the C is this one, this is C, and this one is D. These are the 4 points. This is A, B, C and D. Fine. So the courtyard has been divided into small square boxes by drawing the equally spaced horizontal and vertical lines. Taking OX and OY as the coordinate axis, answer the following question. So based on this, we have to answer the different questions. So let's see the questions. सबसे पहले हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कौन कहाँ था. So A पर है जॉन, B पॉइंट, C and D. B पर है सौरभ, then सलीम and Ratan. Fine. So let's see the questions now. The first one is coordinates of A. Where is point A? So you can see it is 3, 3. So it is 3 and 4. So it is 3 and 4. Then coordinates of B. It is 6 and 7. So is 6 and 7. Then coordinate of C. This is 9 and 4. So where is 9 and 4? It is B option. Then coordinates of D, they are 7 and 2. Fine. So we have already seen the different coordinates. Now we'll see the next questions. So the distance between John and Salim. Fine. So John is at A and Salim is at C. Fine. So the coordinates of A 3 and 4, we have already seen them, and coordinates of C are 9 and 4. Fine. So you have to find out the distance. Distance के लिए क्या होता है आपके पास? Root of coordinate of axis उनका difference square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. Fine. So इससे क्या आएगा? Minus 6 whole square. इसका root. So it will be square से negative sign तो plus ही हो जाएगा. So it will be 6 units. So 6 units. ये. Fine. Now the next one in this will be the distance between John and Saurabh. That means AB. So this distance we have to find out AB. ये distance. Fine. So A के coordinate हैं 3 and 4 और B के coordinates हैं, what are the coordinates of B? 6 and 7. Again distance कैसे आएगा? Root of x, subtract the coordinates of x. x के जो coordinate है उसको subtract किया and square plus y के coordinates को subtract किया and square. Fine. So it will be root of minus 3 square plus it will be again minus 3 square. Fine. So it will be root of 9 plus 9. My negative will be positive in case of square. So it will be root of 18. अब 18 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. That means 18 को हम लिख सकते हैं 3 square multiplied by 2. So it will be 3 square multiplied by 2. So it will be 3 root 2. 3 root 2 will be the answer here in this case. Fine. So where is 3 root 2? This one is 3 root 2. That's the answer. Now last one is John and Ratan. John का distance, John के लिए आपको A point है और रतन के लिए D point है. So AD के बीच में आपको distance find out करना है. Let's see in the picture. ये distance आपको find out करना है. Fine. So you will find out the coordinates of A and D. A के coordinates again the same 3 and 4 और D के coordinates हैं क्या है 7 and 2. Fine. Go for the same thing that we have done earlier. So it will be 3 minus 7 whole square plus 4 minus 2 whole square and square root. Fine. तो square root of ये हो जाएगा आपका -4 whole square plus 2 square. So it will be 16 plus 4 which is root of 20. 20 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं 4 multiplied by 5. 4 का square root होता है 2 root 5. So 2 root 5 will be the answer for this. Fine. So that was the whole case study. You can check the answers like this. Fine. That was the whole case study related to coordinate geometry. Fine. Thank you.